Hello everyone, welcome back to Groovy and Grails tutorials. Today we are diving into the exciting world of Grails, a fantastic framework for building web applications. Whether you are new to Grails or looking up to brush up on your setup skills, you are in the right place. In this video we will walk you through setting up Grails on different operating systems. So grab up your favorite drink, sit back and let's get started. Let's start by going through the steps to set up Grails on a Windows machine. Then we will move on a video demonstration to walk you through the process. Let's start with downloading Java from Oracle's official website. I will be providing the links for the both Grails and Oracle Java in the description section. Download has been done. Now download Grails. Now that we have downloaded both Grails and Java, let's install Java. Now let's move Grails to C drive. Let's extract it. Now let's set some environment variables. Click on environment variables, click on new, Grails home, paste the path of Grails. Next, create Java home. Let's copy paste the path where Java has been installed. Copy, paste it. Edit the path variable and add Java home and Grails home bin path inside it. Adding Java home and Grails home is important because it tells your system where Java and Grails are installed. This allows other programs and scripts to find and use Java and Grails without needing to know their exact location on your file system. Now let's check Java version. Awesome, the version is there, so the environment variables are working. Now let's take a look at how to set up Grails in Mac or Linux based system with a video demonstration. Now visit the SDK-man official website to install SDK-man. I will be providing the link in the description. Now follow the installation instruction provided on the website. Now that the SDK-man is installed, run SDK list Grails. Let's clear the terminal first. Now run SDK list Grails. This will give you all the available Grails version. Let's copy the latest one. Now run SDK install Grails with the version we have copied. Paste the latest version we have copied. Grails is installing. Installation is successful. Let's execute Grails command. Yes. Let's do Grails version. Yes, we have the latest Grails version installed. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more content. In the next video, we will learn how to create our first Grails application. Keep coding and see you in the next one.